What's happening? We're here in Ashland, Oregon at Lithia Park. Got a lot of geocaches around here. This is Skeight 976. I'm Vince. You're watching Geocaching with Skeight. Gonna get some caches. Our first cache, Lithia Duck Pond. 250 feet from us right now. All right, description goes a little something like this. Found that there was already a cache in this beautiful park. I felt I should remedy that, and the duck pond called out to me. Take your kids along, it's an easy find. The hint reads, you are looking for a plastic pickle jar stuck in the ivy along a tree. All right, so I found ducks at a pond. What does it say? 92 feet. Let's go explore. All right, ducks. All right, ducks, we're here near the duck pond. They're like 60 feet away. Looks like it could be behind us right here in this bamboo all around. Dropping my phone. We're getting close, it says. We're 40 feet. Sunglasses are not going to help in this situation. Well, it got me in the bamboo, and now it looks like it's taking me right back out. 40 feet away. Break on through to the other side. Break on through. But 40 feet away, we bust out to this. So that's where we originally set up, next to the duck pond. It says 80 something feet, like almost across the street. Getting close. This is the best geocaching view. Is it a light post? I really don't want it to be a light post. It says bushes and trees, but it's pointing at the light post. You freaking kidding me? Oh, it doesn't lift up, which is a good sign, but that's what it's freaking pointing at. 22 feet. Says 20 feet. 20 feet that way. Into the bushes at the light. 9 feet towards that tree. 8 feet. 4 feet. 3 feet. 7 feet. Alright, we're going in this tunnel again. Looking at branches, looking at leaves. This sucks. Stump of a tree. There's nothing with a stump of a tree. Deceiving. It points to in here. So Crystal just found it. Crystal got her geo senses and said it's at the base of a tree over there. I don't know, we're gonna go find it. Let's see what I can do here. Poison oak everywhere. Oh dang. I thought they weren't supposed to be buried.
Are you geocaching?
Yeah! I love geocaching. You're here on shaky ground, virtual cache by Jeeper Dad. Some ducks in the creek. Got some little waterfalls, beautiful tree. Description, this is a virtual cache. It's literally a walk in the park. Look for the plaque. This is a beautiful park with lots of interesting plants. Lots of flowers here. The hint is, look for a good place for ducks. Their watery place is the actual memorial. It's downhill from shaky ground. Yay, Ashland, Oregon. Thanks for subscribing, stay tuned. We're in Ashland, Oregon today. We could be anywhere else tomorrow. Yeah. look for a good duck. What? Thanks for watching Geocaching with Skeight. Stay tuned. Yeah.